I always feel so tired in the morning. I just want to scroll on my phone.
Leo, it is already 10 o'clock. Why are you still in your pajamas?
Well, I usually stay up late to watch funny videos. I do not have any plans for today.
Leo, time is very precious. You are wasting your life doing nothing.
Wasting my life? But I am just relaxing. What should I do instead?
You need a good daily routine. We should go outside, breathe fresh air, and do something active.
You are right, Mia. I really want to change my bad habits. Let's go out right now.
Look around us. The weather is absolutely beautiful today. What do you want to do first?
I am going to rent a bicycle. I love cycling in the park.
That is a great idea. Having an active hobby makes your life much more interesting and healthy.
What about you, Mia? What are you gonna do this weekend?
I will start reading a new science book. Reading helps me learn new things. We should never stop learning.
I understand now. Spending hours on the phone is actually very boring. I want to build better habits.
Exactly. Small good changes every day will make a huge difference in your future. Cycling was fun. Now, let's talk about your future, Leo. What are your main goals?
Well, I really want to learn English. I want to speak it fluently.
That is a wonderful goal. English is very useful. You must practice every single day.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
But I am very lazy. How can I start without giving up?
You should make a daily to-do list. Break your big goal into very small tasks.
I see. I usually spend 3 hours playing mobile games. That is a huge waste of time.
You can still play games, but only for 30 minutes. Balance is the key to success.
I will study for 1 hour every morning. I can imagine myself speaking English confidently.
Yes! That is the right attitude. Consistency is more important than speed.
I feel so motivated right now. I will not waste my life anymore.
Remember, there will be hard days, but you must push through them.
Thank you so much, Mia. You are a truly amazing friend.
You are very welcome, Leo. Your future is completely in your own hands.
My new life starts today. Time is precious, and I will use it well. Good morning, Mia. I am starting my new routine today. No more sleeping until noon.
I am so proud of you, Leo. Your desk looks very clean and organized. What are you doing right now?
I am studying English vocabulary. I want to learn 5 new words every morning.
That is an excellent method. Are you using a notebook or a mobile app to study?
I write everything in my notebook. Writing by hand helps me remember words much better.
Exactly. You also need good energy for your brain. Did you eat a healthy breakfast today?
Yes, I did. I ate some avocados, fresh berries, and a mix of nuts and seeds. It was delicious.
Wow, Leo. That is incredibly healthy. Healthy food gives you strong energy to study all day.
I also plan to eat some fatty fish and whole grains for dinner tonight. I want to take good care of my body.
You are changing your life completely. Do you feel different now compared to yesterday?
Yes, very different. Yesterday, I felt lazy and sad. Today, I feel full of purpose and happiness.
That is the power of good habits. If you use your time wisely, your life becomes beautiful.
I promise to keep this routine. I will study hard, eat well, and never waste my life again.
Keep up the fantastic work, Leo. Have a great study session. See you later.
Let's see. I need to buy a lot of fresh food today. No more junk food.
Oh, hi, Leo. What a great surprise to see you here. Are you doing your weekly shopping?
Hi, Mia. Yes, I am. I am buying healthy food to give my brain more energy for studying.
That sounds wonderful. Do you have a shopping list? What do you need to buy first?
First, I need some fresh fruit. Do you know where I can find some sweet berries?
The berries are right over there.
Oh.
You should also get some avocados. They have very healthy fats.
Oh, I love avocados. I will buy 3 of them. What about protein?
For protein, you should definitely buy some fatty fish. Salmon is excellent for your memory and focus.
Really? I did not know that. I will go to the seafood section right away.
Don't forget your carbohydrates. Instead of white rice, try some whole grains. They will keep you full for a long time.
Ah, yes. And I must buy some nuts and seeds for my afternoon snacks. No more candy bars.
You are doing amazing, Leo. Building a healthy body helps you build a strong mind.
Thank you, Mia. I am taking full control of my life now. Every single minute counts.
Enjoy your shopping, Leo. Let's meet at the library tomorrow to practice English. See you.
This is so difficult. I am trying to read, but I cannot remember these words.
What is wrong, Leo? Are you having a hard time with the new vocabulary?
Yes? English pronunciation is very hard. My brain feels completely full right now.
Learning a new language takes a lot of time. It is completely normal to feel tired sometimes.
Maybe I should just give up for today. I want to go home and watch a movie.
No, Leo. Remember your promise? You said you would not waste your life anymore.
You are right. If I quit now, I will never reach my big goal.
Let's try a different method. Instead of reading, let's listen to a short audio clip and repeat it.
Okay. I will try my best. I am listening very carefully now.
Excellent pronunciation, Leo. You see? You can do it if you keep trying.
Wow. That was actually much easier. I feel a lot better now.
Success is a long journey. You must be patient with yourself. Every small step counts.
Thank you for pushing me. I will not let laziness stop my progress again. Let's study for 1 more hour. My mind is ready to learn everything.
Good evening, Mia.
Good evening.
I am cooking the fatty fish I bought today. It smells absolutely amazing.
That looks delicious, Leo. Did you remember to cook the whole grains too?
Yes, of course. The whole grains are already done. I am eating a perfectly balanced dinner tonight.
I am so happy to see this. You had a very busy and productive day. How do you feel now?
I feel physically tired, but mentally, I feel incredible. I learned so much English today.
It is a good kind of tired. You did not waste a single minute today.
Time flies so fast. If we just sleep and play games all day, the day is gone forever.
Exactly. We cannot buy more time. We can only choose how to spend it wisely.
I was so close to giving up in the library today, but your advice helped me to keep going.
You are stronger than you think, Leo. Hard work is the only way to build a great future.
Having a good friend like you makes the journey much easier. Thank you for believing in me.
We must always support each other. Now, enjoy your healthy dinner. You really earned it today.
I will. Tomorrow, I will wake up early again. My new life is just beginning.
Have a great dinner and a good night's sleep, Leo. See you tomorrow morning.
Hello, everyone. My name is Leo, and I am very happy to stand here today.
He looks so professional. I knew he could do it.
Just 1 month ago, I was a very lazy person. I wasted a lot of time playing games.
Yes, but you chose to change your life completely. We all have that power.
I have practiced English every single day. I have eaten healthy food, and I have slept well.
Hard work always brings great results. His English pronunciation is completely perfect now.
My message to you is simple. Do not waste your life. Use your time to build your dream.
Mia, did I do okay? I was a little bit nervous at the beginning.
You were fantastic. You spoke English so fluently and naturally. I am amazed.
I could not have done it without your help. You taught me how to set goals and build good habits.
I just gave you the seed. You are the one who watered it every day with your hard work.
This is just the beginning. I want to learn even more things now. What should we do next?
Well, how about we plan a trip abroad? We can practice speaking English with people around the world.
That is a brilliant idea. The world is so big, and I want to see everything. Life is a wonderful gift. Every second is precious. Let's make every moment count.